Hey everyone, wondering if you can play Marvel Rivals on your Steam Deck? Spoiler, yes you can. Let's break it down quick and easy. Marvel Rivals is a free-to-play hero shooter when you battle 6 versus 6 with Marvel characters like Hulk and Black Panther. It's out on Steam, PS5, and Xbox, and it's super fun. Think Overwatch with superheroes. Good news is it's officially playable on Steam Deck. That means it runs fine, though you might need to tweak a couple things. It's free to download, but it takes up to 70 gigs, so make sure you got space. Here's how you can play it. Grab it from Steam, install it, then go to the game's properties, check force compatibility, and pick Proton Experimental. This fixes stuff like black screens and cutscenes. Launch it, tweak the graphics to low or medium, and you're good to go. It plays smooth, around 60 frames per second if you adjust settings. The controls work great with the Steam Deck's buttons, though menus might need the touchpad sometimes. Battery drain's a bit fast, but it's solid for quick matches. So yeah guys, Marvel Rivals on Steam Deck, totally doable and a blast for Marvel fans. Download it, set it up, and start smashing your favorite heroes. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.